Looking for powerful tools to tackle tough vegetation? The Best Brush Cutter offers unmatched efficiency and durability for clearing thick brush and overgrowth. Whether for professional or home use, this tool makes yard maintenance easier and faster. Number 1. Lemolifys Weed Whacker. The Lemolifys Weed Whacker is a highly innovative cordless electric brush cutter designed to simplify yard work by combining the advantages of blade and string trimmers into one versatile tool. This stringless weed whacker eliminates the frustrating need to feed replacement string, offering a smoother and more efficient trimming experience powered by a 2000 RPM brushless motor. This powerful motor significantly reduces friction compared to brushed motors, increasing trimming efficiency by up to 95%, while also operating with much less noise. Weighing just 6 pounds, it is remarkably lightweight and easy to maneuver, which reduces user fatigue, especially during prolonged use. The unique wheel design further alleviates shoulder strain, allowing anyone, even beginners, to trim their lawn with minimal effort. The cordless design is powered by two 3000 mAh batteries, providing up to 40 to 60 minutes of continuous trimming per charge and a fast recharge time of just 3 to 4 hours. The battery features a convenient digital display that keeps you informed of remaining power, helping you manage trimming sessions efficiently. This attention to battery management helps prolong battery life and ensures the tool is ready when needed. The Lemolifys Weed Whacker is perfect for homeowners who want a quiet, lightweight, and powerful electric trimmer that does not require gas or cords. Its ability to easily handle stubborn grass and weeds without the hassle of string replacement makes it a standout choice in the electric weed whacker market. Additionally, the manufacturer provides solid customer support, addressing any issues promptly to guarantee satisfaction. Overall, this model offers a great balance of power, convenience, and comfort, making it ideal for those who want a reliable, modern brush cutter for regular lawn maintenance. Number 2. Waild 52 cubic centimeters Weed Whacker. The Waild 52 cubic centimeters Weed Whacker is a robust, gas-powered brush cutter designed for users who demand high performance and versatility in a single tool. Featuring a powerful 52 cubic centimeters full-crank 2-cycle engine, this multifunction trimmer offers an impressive combination of strength and durability that can easily tackle heavy-duty weed cutting and edging tasks. One of its standout features is the 3-in-1 capability, with an 18-inch string trimmer, edger, and a 10-inch brush cutter blade, making it suitable for a wide range of yard maintenance jobs. The full-crank engine design is engineered for longevity, offering double the lifespan compared to half-crank engines, and it provides superior fuel efficiency, helping reduce operating costs over time. Despite its power, the Waild 52 cubic centimeters is built with user comfort in mind, featuring an ergonomic design that reduces fatigue even during extended use. The Easy Start system ensures that the tool fires up quickly within just a few pulls, saving you time and frustration. Additionally, the tool-free air filter cover simplifies maintenance, allowing for quick cleaning and assembly without the need for additional tools. Weighing reasonably for its power class, the Waild 52 cubic centimeters manages to balance portability with a heavy-duty performance that appeals to both homeowners and professional landscapers. If you prefer the raw power and reliability of a gas engine combined with flexible functionality for trimming, edging, and brush cutting, this model is an excellent choice that can handle large yards and tougher vegetation with ease. Number 3. Denqir 20,000 RPM. The Denqir 20,000 RPM cordless weed eater offers a high-powered, versatile solution for those looking for efficiency and convenience in their garden maintenance tools. Equipped with an 800W brushless motor that delivers an impressive speed of up to 20,000 RPM, this electric weed whacker provides exceptional cutting power in a compact and lightweight design. The brushless motor technology is known for its durability and quiet operation, making it ideal for residential use without disturbing neighbors. The trimmer features a 12-inch cutting width, allowing users to cover a broader area with each pass, significantly increasing mowing efficiency and reducing the time required to maintain small to medium-sized yards. This model comes with two 3000 mAh batteries, providing ample runtime for extended trimming sessions and the flexibility to swap batteries for continuous use. The Denqir Weed Eater also converts easily from a string trimmer to a wheeled string trimmer, offering multiple modes to suit different gardening tasks and preferences. This adaptability makes it suitable for a variety of terrains and vegetation densities, from precise edging to larger brush clearing. The cordless design eliminates the hassle of cords and fuel, making it more environmentally friendly and easier to start. With its combination of powerful performance, smart battery management, and versatile design, the Denqir 20,000 RPM cordless weed eater is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable, efficient, and low-maintenance brush cutter to keep their lawn looking neat and well-maintained. Number 4. Husqvarna 122RJ. The Husqvarna 122RJ brush cutter is a well-regarded gas-powered multi-purpose tool that combines power, ease of use, and versatility for efficient lawn and garden maintenance. This model features both a string trimmer head and a grass blade, enabling it to handle a variety of trimming and cutting tasks with ease. One of the major highlights of the Husqvarna 122RJ is its Smart Start technology, which ensures the engine starts quickly and effortlessly, reducing the usual frustration associated with gas trimmers. The air purge system further simplifies starting by removing air from the carburetor and fuel system, so you're ready to go with minimal effort. Designed with user safety and comfort in mind, the trimmer comes with a barrier bar and J handle, which encourages safer working positions and better control during use. Its straight shaft design extends your reach, allowing you to trim hard-to-access areas without strain. Despite being a gas-powered unit, the 122RJ is relatively easy to maneuver, making it suitable for both residential users and professionals. It offers the power needed for tougher weeds and brush while maintaining manageable weight and balance. This brush cutter excels in performance, reliability, and user-friendly features, making it a top contender for those looking for a durable gas-powered tool to tackle their yard maintenance efficiently. Number 5. Wegofly 4.0A. The Wegofly 4.0A cordless brush cutter is a powerful and versatile tool designed to deliver high performance with user-friendly features and ergonomic comfort. It is equipped with a 15,000 RPM brushless motor combined with a gear set that boosts power output by 300%, making it ideal for tough trimming and cutting tasks. This model comes with two high-capacity 21V 4.0A batteries that provide ample runtime and compatibility across the Wegofly 21V power tool series, enhancing convenience and cost-effectiveness. The brush cutter offers a 12-inch mowing diameter, enabling efficient trimming of larger areas without frequent passes. Additionally, it features auxiliary side balls that rotate the machine head 90 degrees, allowing it to convert instantly into a lawn edger for precise trimming along sidewalks and flower beds. Its ergonomic handle with rubber wrapping reduces wrist strain, while the extendable and retractable shaft allows customization for various working environments. Overall, this model stands out as a reliable and efficient cordless brush cutter perfect for those seeking powerful performance combined with comfort and versatility. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.